Hey guys, Gaurav here from TravellinGeek, and today I'm going to talk about the RIGGEAR case for the iQOO 12. I bought this on the Amazon, and you can see the current price of this case on the Amazon. I got this case within 2 to 3 days, I think so. And this is a very good case, and it's a very good brand, especially when it comes to quality cases at affordable price points. I don't know whether this is made in India or made in China. They have not written anywhere here. But I expect that this is also a made in China case. Anyways, let's remove this part. We will keep this somewhere else. Also the inside. Oh no, I just lost it. Anyways, let me try to, snap on this case on my iQOO 12. And it looks good. I need to remove this inner plastic. As you can see, there are some bubbles over here. I couldn't remove it right now, but I just wanted to see how it fits to the phone, and this looks really solid. I mean, amazing. This is very nice because here this part is completely transparent. This is a transparent plastic, and it's a hard one, so it won't turn yellow. And you can see this part is basically a combination of silicone and TPU. So this protects that huge glass which is covering all three camera modules. It is also having a clear cutout to say this 100x telelens. Very precise cutouts to all three lens parts as well as to the flash module. On the top we have a very precise cutout for the secondary microphone, IR blaster, as well as the secondary microphone. On the bottom we have a very precise cutout for this USB Type-C port, the primary microphone, and this primary speaker. And on the right side we have this good tactile keys. Yeah, it feels very nice. This volume rocker keys, plus and minus, and this is the power key. Can you hear the sound? Yeah, it feels really great. So I'm just unlocking the phone, and you can see here that the screen part, the screen part is also having a sort of a protection by these case lips on all four sides. So very good protection by this case. Obviously this part is not this, all the sides are not raised up the very similar way to this prime retail case. This has a much all these four sides, these are much raised compared to this RIGGEAR case, but it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good in hand, and somebody who wants to show the color of this phone with this iconic logo of the BMW and the iQOO branding, obviously this case is the much better one. I think I should try to remove that plastic, and maybe the fitting will improve further if I remove this. So let's try to remove this plastic. It's not an easy thing. Yeah, so with some, finally this is gone, and let's try to put on the phone back in the case, and let's see the fitting. The fitting is really good, and I'm really happy about this case also. There are two good options available for iQOO 12. One is from the RIGGEAR, this case, which has a transparent plastic. It's a very clear one, which won't turn yellow, and all sides are black. The combination looks really good. And the second is this case. I mean, this type of cases are also available on the Flipkart as well as on the Amazon. You will find various brands, but especially both these cases, I found them at a very affordable rates. So I decided to purchase them as soon as possible and review them on this channel, so all of you can get a clear idea that what are these options and how these cases actually fits to the phone. So guys, this is Gaurav. I'm signing off. We will soon meet in a next video about the iQOO 12. It's a really great phone from the iQOO. So let's meet soon in the next video. This is Gaurav signing off. Bye bye.